Okay, today for our completed work demo, we've got number 288. This is a special instrument going to a friend and artist named Carroll. Kevin's from Austin, Texas. He's a great educator and musician, and he wanted a tenor scale banjo uke to play, mainly to play fiddle tunes and Irish music, Celtic music. And his main request is that he wanted his family's coat of arms or crest on the head. So Nicole did that in colored pencil and marker. And then we sprayed over the top of it so it would be more durable. And it's a nice connection to history and culture because a lot of old banjo ukes from the teens, 20s, and 30s had cartoons and signatures and artwork and graffiti on the heads. So this is a cool throwback to that. And also something I did that I haven't done in many years is I did a light amber stain on the maple. So instead of leaving it blonde or natural, I did this. And what it actually mimics is like the old banjos had clear varnish put on them, but then that finish would age over time in yellow. So a lot of the old banjos look amber like this, but it's not necessarily the wood. It's usually the old finish on it. But anyway, I like how it looks. I used to do this all the time. It's been many years. So this was all maple. You can see 5-piece neck. Got some beautiful curl in the neck and some bird's eye. I like how the amber makes the block rim look. The grain direction looks really cool. You can see it change as it goes. Yeah, and it's a low G. Put this in so we don't clip out the microphone. Little piece of foam. Yep, that's a serious one. Sounds great, feels great. I love the little red hints in the pistachio. It's going out to Kevin. I hope he enjoys it. Thanks a lot.